Hi children, welcome back to this session. In this video, we will discuss about photosynthesis process and respiration process differences. Photosynthesis occurs only in plants and some photosynthetic bacteria, but respiration process occurs in all living organisms including plants and animals children. Photosynthesis process takes place in the presence of only sunlight. A respiration process takes place throughout the day, even day and night occurs. Raw materials required for photosynthesis process are carbon dioxide and water. Raw materials required for respiration process are carbohydrates or organic substances and oxygen are used. Photosynthesis process occurs in chloroplast. Respiration process occurs in cytoplasm and mitochondria of the cell. In photosynthesis process, light energy converted into chemical energy and stored in carbohydrates. In respiration process, chemical energy stored in the carbohydrates bonds to release energy. In photosynthesis process, oxygen is liberated and carbon dioxide is utilized. Oxygen is released, carbon dioxide is utilized in photosynthesis process. But in respiration process, oxygen is utilized and carbon dioxide is released. Children, oxygen is used, carbon dioxide is released in respiration process. Photosynthesis process produces ATP by use of light energy. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Energy is stored in ATP. So ATP is called energy currency of the cell. Respiration produces ATPs by oxidation of glucose. Due to the oxidation of glucose, ATPs are formed in respiration process. In photosynthesis process, ATP and NADPH are mainly used for synthesis of organic compounds. In respiration process, NADPH and ATP are made available for cellular respiration. Children, photosynthesis process is a anabolic process. Anabolic process means simpler compounds are combined to build a larger complex ones. That is the anabolic process. In photosynthesis process, carbon dioxide and water are the simpler compounds. They can build up into larger complex molecule is glucose. Glucose is a complex molecule. So photosynthesis process is the anabolic process. But respiration process is a catabolic process. Catabolic process means complex molecules are break down into simpler ones and also some amount of energy is also released. So respiration process is a catabolic process. In respiration process, glucose is a complex substance. It is break down into carbon dioxide, water and energy. Carbon dioxide, water are the simpler molecules. Glucose is a complex one. So respiration is a catabolic process. Children, now we look at the equation that can shows the photosynthesis process. 6CO2 plus 2NH2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives rise glucose. Formula C6H12O6 and oxygen, water. This is the equation that can show the photosynthesis process. In photosynthesis process, carbon dioxide and water are combined in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Glucose is formed, oxygen is released into the atmosphere, water is used up by the plants. Children, now we look at the equation that can show the respiration process. Glucose means The formula C6H12O6 is combined with oxygen and gives rise carbon dioxide, water and 686 kilocalories energy. In respiration process, glucose molecule combine with oxygen and release carbon dioxide, water and energy. So this is the equation that can show the respiration process, children. Now I hope now you are understood about the differences between photosynthesis and respiration process, children. Thank you for watching this video, children.